How to wire your IoT hub to a C-TEC fire panel. The standard connection between your IoT hub and your fire panel is made using the RS232 connection. Always remember, when connecting RS232, a transmit or TX from one system must be connected to the receive or RX of the other system. A C-TEC ZFP system can optionally be connected using the RS485 connection. The most reliable way of connecting your IoT hub to the cloud is by using an Ethernet lead. This can be done using DHCP or a fixed IP address. If you have a managed network, you may have to let your network administrator know that you have connected a new device into the network.